Hello, welcome to our Business Itiner tutorial video that shows the very beginning steps to set up a workflow. It will be just a simple Hello World workflow to show the basics. Here we go. Using Business Itiner needs no special preparations or training. There are only 5 steps to create a workflow from scratch. Create a new user, add the role to the user, set the basic data of the process, create a simple workflow, give rights to the role, and when finished, run your new Itiner. I show you how. You will see, it takes only 5 minutes. Okay, let's do it. To create a new user, first log into the Business Itiner to the designer interface. Then click on the user's icon in the main menu. It is the black toolbar on the left. You can see the list of the users. Push the Add New User button here. The Add User page opens. All the fields on the Personal Data tab are mandatory, so define the new user's login name, let's say Jack Sample, display name, let it be the same, email, and password. The password field can be seen unmasked with clicking on the eye icon. Click on the Save icon, and you have just created a new user. Select Roles tab. Here you can find the roles that can be given to the user. Choose Users. For us, basic users and administrators are not relevant now. Find more information on them in the Business Itiner's online help. Now go to the user groups. You can select more than one. All that you need is to mark the checkbox by the relevant group. Now default department is OK. When finished, save the new user. The process is now done. Editing of a new user is completed. Now click on the Itiner Templates icon in the main menu. You know, the black toolbar on the left. You can see all the available templates. What we need is to create a new template, so press the Add button here. A blank Itiner template opens. Fields with asterisk are mandatory. Give a name to the template and the Itiner. Then decide if a relative date or a precise date is needed as deadline. The relative date is counted from the start of the actual Itiner. The default value is 3 days. Change it to, let's say, 10. Save the template. The new Itiner template can be accessed in the Itiner Templates page of the main menu. Now you can go on and create the workflow. To create a basic workflow to the template, you need to understand the logical steps of the process you wish to sketch. The very first step is to drag and drop a start and a stop task object to the process editor area. Every process needs a starting and an ending point. Now drag and drop a simple task object and connect it to the start and stop objects. Open the task object and name it to inform the user who will run the Itiner what to do exactly. Define the task owner. The default is the Itiner starter. Then save the task object. To add more task objects, just drag and drop another one, because processes can be expanded to quite many steps. Give a title to the task object. Define here the task owner too, then save the task. Don't forget to save the process itself if no more task object is to be added. Navigate to the page of the user groups and select Default Department. You can choose more than one if you wish. Only users of the defined user group can launch an Itiner and have a task in it. It's wise to define an Itiner manager on the basic data page because the Itiner manager is the supervisor of the workflow. If no Itiner manager is defined, they must be given each time when the Itiner is started. Save the process. To make the process public, use the Publish icon at the top right corner of the page. You are almost there. Now run the new process you created. To do this, log into the Business Itiner user interface. You can see the dashboard. Scroll down in the Start from Template list to the Itiner you created and select it. The first task appears in the process. Now I set the task list to show all the tasks, but it's optional. Complete the task with pressing the Complete button and you get to the next task. Do the same and you will get to the final stage of the new process. Surely it is a very basic process that can be expanded to dozens of steps and options. Now I just wanted to show how easy it is to come to a visible result even from virtually zero. Watch out for our next videos as well, where we present further tricks and tips how to use Business Itiner. Thanks for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe to learn about our new videos. Goodbye and good luck!